strike drones attacked facilities in Grozny, capital of the Chechen Republic. The attack started at approximately 7 Kiev time, and local residents reported hearing gunfire and explosions. At least 2 drones were also spotted hitting, and more drones flying over suburban areas of Grozny. According to the Russian media, drones attacked the military infrastructure of the armed forces of the Republic of Chechnya, including the Akhmat Grozny Special Designation Police Detachment Base, the territory of the 2nd Special Police Regiment, and the military base from which personnel were sent to Ukraine were also attacked. It should be noted that on the night of Thursday, December 12, 2024, a drone had already attacked the barracks of a special police regiment in the capital of Chechnya. At the time, Ramzan Kadyrov, head of Chechnya, officially confirmed the attack. He claimed that as a result of the drone explosion in the air above the building of the Akhmat Kadyrov Special Police Regiment, 4 soldiers were allegedly lightly injured. The first strike on the territory of the military unit where the Police Special Forces Regiment is stationed was executed on December 4, 2024. During the first attack, Kadyrov was very angry and vowed to avenge the dead by sending a large force of his Chechen fighters to Ukraine. However, so far, his fighters mainly remain in TikTok videos. Ukraine has ramped up its use of drones to target Russian territories, striking military bases, infrastructure, and even strategic locations deep inside Russia. These attacks, which Kiev describes as a defensive response, aim to disrupt Russian logistics and demonstrate Ukraine's growing technological capability. While some strikes have caused significant damage, others primarily serve as psychological warfare, shaking Russia's sense of security far from the front lines. The president of Ukraine has confirmed the information about the involvement of North Korean soldiers in the battles in the Kursk region. Volodymyr Zelensky said this in his evening video address. Today, there is already preliminary evidence that Russians have begun to use the soldiers from North Korea in assaults, the president noted. The Russians include them in combined units and use them in assault operations. North Korean soldiers have so far been spotted only in the Kursk region, but the president does not rule out that they may be used in other areas. We have information that they may be used in other parts of the front line. Losses among this category are already noticeable, Zelensky noted. Also in the morning, the Ukrainian military reported that the North Korean soldiers had been sent to assault their positions. On the Zygan Mangusta Telegram channel, the military posted a video showing many North Korean soldiers allegedly trying to reach the Ukrainian positions across the field. The offensive was carried out without armored vehicles, in infantry platoons of 20 to 30 men, with the artillery of the defense forces firing at them. Earlier, a representative of the main intelligence directorate, Andriy Chernyak, shared that 2,000 DPRK servicemen had been sent to the Marine Corps Brigade and Airborne Division of the Russian Army. Over the past week, the Security Service of Ukraine neutralized 17 tanks, 21 artillery systems, and a large number of enemy vehicles. A video capturing the destruction of enemy equipment was published on the SSU's official Telegram page. The enemy equipment was destroyed using FPV drones of the SSU Alpha Group, which ambushed the enemy. As a result, the enemy suffered losses in this confrontation. 17 tanks and 21 artillery systems, including self-propelled artillery systems and multiple rocket launchers. The enemy lost 1 air defense system and 4 electronic warfare and electronic intelligence systems as a result of the Ukrainian Special Forces activities. Additionally, the enemy lost 13 drones that were used to detect the positions of the Ukrainian military and to adjust artillery fire. The enemy suffered the greatest losses in logistics. The officers destroyed or damaged 209 vehicles, including trucks and SUVs of the Russian military. In addition to equipment, 254 invaders were eliminated, and 133 fortifications and 3 field ammunition depots were destroyed. It should be noted that the SSU's Alpha Group is involved in sabotage and reconnaissance activities, hunting for Russian equipment, fortifications, and air defense systems. In addition, the service recently reported the neutralization of 16 enemy Grad multiple rocket launchers. During the destruction, the drone operators primarily tried to hit the launch system with the missiles. Militarny previously reported that the SSU's Alpha Group thwarted the invaders' assault by attacking a convoy with enemy manpower using FPV drones. The Warthog Battalion of the 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade destroyed a Russian MTLB tractor with an RBU 6000 Smerch 2 naval MRL using an FPV drone. The battalion's press service published the video. In addition to the MRL, the battalion also hit and destroyed several units of armored vehicles in the vicinity of Chasiv Yar. In particular, a T-64BV tank was destroyed and a T-80 tank was damaged, and the unit's FPV drone hit a rare Russian armored vehicle, a CAM AZ-43269 Vystrel. The video captures that the unit's FPV drone detected an enemy DIY-MRL based on MTLB and struck it. Despite the artisanal anti-drone defense, the next FPV drone that arrived on the scene to monitor the damage recorded a large fire caused by the previous strike. The Russians started installing naval rocket launchers on various chassis to compensate for losses in the fall of 2023. They use a variety of chassis, not only MTLB, but also Ural trucks and even tanks with their turrets removed. The RBU 6000 is a Soviet naval rocket launcher with a stationary system with 12 radially arranged tubes. It was developed by NII-1, Scientific Research Institute 1, and adopted by the USSR Navy in 1961. The system is designed to destroy enemy torpedoes and submarines. The system uses RGB-60 depth charges with the UDV-60 fusing system. The bombs have a weight of 113.6 kilograms and a flight speed of up to 300 meters per second. However, due to their design features, they produce almost no debris, as they are designed to hit targets with a shockwave in the water column. The maximum range is 5,230 meters. The RBU 6000 installed on ships has a special mechanism for loading ammunition from the cellar under the installation. The system installed on vehicles and armored vehicles must be loaded manually. In addition, due to the lack of the Buria fire control system installed on ships, targeting is performed manually, which negatively affects the system's accuracy. Steel Border Brigade's mobile fire team took down a Shahed drone on the Sumy front using a ZU-23-2 anti-aircraft gun.
Yeah! 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 Вован, блядь! Молодцы! Да!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.